Hey everyone, you're cooking with Lucia. Well, we made it today. To deliver wrapped bacon.
Yeah. High five fingers. People are having a heart attack right now, but they don't understand how delicious this is.
Let me give you a slide.
Slide. Okay.
Give me a slide.
Slide. Now, this is the only way to eat a chicken liver. Wrapped in bacon. Anything wrapped in bacon is delicious. Okay, there's yours right there. And this one will be Daddy's right here, okay?
Okay.
Now, you're going to take it like this. Now, just roll it now.
Okay.
Roll it good. With two hands. Roll it. Roll it. Keep rolling it. Roll it. Good. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. All right, good. Stop.
Now what we do?
Now you take a toothpick.
Let me take one.
Yeah. And you're just going to stab it right there like that in the middle. See? Do that so it stays together. Okay. No, leave it down, Lucia, once you get it in there.
I did.
Okay. Perfect. Now we'll roll the rest of these up. Toothpick. Thank you.
These are going to be so delicious.
I know they are. These your favorite?
Yeah. They're all love, Daddy.
Now you ready for the next phase?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you want to put it like this. Okay?
Okay.
Like that, sideways, because the rack is that way, you know? Now we just place these on the rack, just like this. People are cringing right now, but this is so delicious. You want to have it at your next party.
Yeah, my next part.
How delicious is this?
So what do we do now with these, Daddy?
Well, right now we got the oven going at 400 and we're going to throw them in. Okay, for a good 30 minutes.
Can I leave now?
I know, these are very delicious, everybody who's cringing. Chicken livers wrapped in bacon. Bomb. Little potatoes, Lucia. And make a roll with them, yeah. Go ahead. Perfect. Perfect. They're little babies. Be careful.
How about this big one?
That's not a big one. That's a toddler. The rest of them are babies. That's maybe a teenager.
One more. Making me so hungry.
I know.
Those tables are making me so hungry.
I know.
I can't take it. It looks too yummy.
There we go. Okay, see you in a little while. Gee, this got 40 more minutes to go. What do you want to do?
Play chalk and bubbles.
You want to play Choke and Bubbles? How fast can you get ready? That was quick. How'd you do that so quick?
I thought I do it quick.
Oh, you got it
So
like that?
excited.
That was a good one. You got a smiley face?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Okay. Uh-oh. It brings the parts. You're making my name.
Yeah. Lucia. Then you're going to put a heart right here. Loves. Right? And then we're going to put...
I got this something. Over here.
Mommy. So it's Lucia loves Mommy.
I'm going to be hard then with mine. Yeah, my own face.
Okay, perfect.
How about a little nose right here?
A little nose, go ahead.
Paint the car.
You want to paint this car?
Yeah.
Not this car. This car's from the old country.
Where is it? Is it out of Brooklyn?
That's right, Brooklyn, the old country. No, really, don't paint the car, Lucia.
I was just pretending to do it.
You're going to pretend? All right. You don't like the car black no more?
No, I want to paint it pink.
You want to paint this car pink?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Baby.
You're coloring Spanky.
Yeah. But I don't like pink on
You're
it.
getting nice and golden. You making now?
I'm making you.
You're making me? Perfect. Look how skinny I am. You're the best.
Come see.
I see it. Look at that. You gave me gastric bypass. Perfect.
Is it all done?
Yeah.
I need to see this.
Look at that. Okay.
Is it hot?
It's hot.
But I can't feel no hot.
It's hot. Trust me when I tell you.
But I can't feel no hot.
Lucia, then touch it then.
See? No,
Now you had the celery.
I want to take a taste.
I know. What are you doing? Not the honey, Lucia. That's after you dip this into the honey.
I just look at it.
All right, you're going to take a taste right now. Hold on. Lucia, not that.
And it making me so hungry.
This is what gets dipped into there. Here, take it. Take a taste.
I like it like that.
Take a taste then. How good is that? How good is that?
So good.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Chicken livers wrapped in bacon. Little potatoes that you just pop in like a Tic Tac. With a little dip in the sweet chili sauce or a little honey. Whatever you prefer. How good are chicken livers?
So good.
Nice.
Why are you watching me?
What do you mean why I'm watching you?
Because you put a phone to my face.
I'm watching you enjoy chicken livers.
Ciao.